Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am going to be eating a piping hot Jamaican patty for you guys. I'm going to show you how to eat it. So this is how we buy patty in Jamaica. This is what they come in. Brown paper bag. Yes. Brother Walker, you want to eat with me? Yes. But we have to go get one chair. You have to get one chair. Brother, let me bring one chair.
I want chair.
So, Brother Walker, you can sit next to me here. Come, Clarice. Brother Walker, you can come here. Clarice, can we get this chair, please? Right, guys. So, I have a guest for you guys here. My church brother, Brother Walker. Yes. And Brother Walker is going to eat the patty with me. We're going to eat together. But Brother Walker is halfway through his patty. Brother Walker, wait, we see a patty? Alright, he's halfway through his patty, so I'm going to start now. So, Brother Walker.
Yes?
What do you want to tell them about patty and patty eat? What do you know about patty?
Well, what I know about patty is that it's made of flour. You mix the flour with the curry. Or something like that, and then you roll it with a rolling pin, and then you place the meat inside of it.
Inside there.
Yeah, and then you get it together, and then you put it in the baking tin. Then you put it in the oven.
Right. And which one you prefer? Beef, chicken, or cheese?
Regular beef.
Beef.
Yeah.
Beef patty, nice too.
Yeah, man.
Me still not touch down at the hot part yet.
And they are delicious. Yeah.
And
wonderful.
This is how we eat patty. We eat it in the brown bag.
Right.
And guys, the whole we eat patty. About 5 hours depending on everybody eat
Having patty.
But in the warm company camera. Yes, sure. We want to watch that time.
Yes, please. Real Jamaican patty. Yes?
Inside? Yeah, we go bring one patty for your wife. Yeah, we go bring one patty to Sister Plunkett. And she go see her eat patty.
Yeah.
Without her.
Right. Nice.
You see this? Piping hot.
Yeah.
If this drop out and touch your mouth.
And when you're eating Jamaican patties, you can drive and eating patty at the same time, because if it fell on your leg, it will burn you. And the car will get out of control and crash.
And crash. You see this? This one I'm eating is cheese patty. Cheese with beef, minced beef. And this a juicy beef patty. You see how we're careful? You see how we're careful with the meat? Because it's got burn your skin.
And the location for these beef patties is located in Bogwalk and also in Linstead.
Juicy beef.
Juicy beef.
Yeah. There's mothers.
No mothers.
No mothers.
Tasties.
Okay.
Tasties. Tasties and juicy beef.
No mothers. Ah, true.
This is in Spanish though.
Which is your favorite? Which is your favorite?
Tasties.
Tastes.
Yeah.
Why?
Because over the years, when I was living in Kingston.
I tasted, you know.
Yeah, all those years. I used to go by tastes.
For me, it's juicy beef.
Yeah.
Because I Linstead are only juicy beef in the here.
From Alpha Tree to Crossroad. Crossroad, this is the leading. This is, you will call it like the headquarters then.
You eat chicken from them as well?
Yeah man, chicken and...
I don't like eat chicken from patty shop.
Chicken and lobster.
You mean patty or...
The lobster patty. And chicken and beef.
But you know, they sell fried chicken.
Yeah, man.
You like them fried chicken? If you go fried chicken, just go to KFC and done. Or one Jamaican local shop. Cook shop. You want to corner in a living room in a one box? You going? Hey, sorry. Look in that freezer. Look in that freezer. Me have beer. Yes. I bought 3 beer in that freezer.
I was bringing juice for you, but I don't know if you want the beer. Which one?
Give me beer. Brother Walker, no drink no beer. You go drunk. Alright, now you trying to... Curry. I think Curry want one too.
You think you can press consider again? If you're not carrying?
You know say beef hotter than his cheese?
I second one that one.
Nice one.
You want another one?
Be careful, my wife.
Okay. You don't eat now?
Yeah, man. Let's have one for you.
Okay. Can we buy too much? Brother Walker,
Yeah.
you need your own YouTube channel. You just flow nicely.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm accustomed to them procedures, yeah, man. But it's the first time I'm really going on one of them.
Let me see, look, my nose, my mind telling me.
Alright, cheers, Brother Walker.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, you want one beer? And I put one sorry beer in it.
Right. That's the right one.
Sorry,
One
beer,
beer
yes?
left back.
And one left?
We get water.
Looking at it. I have nothing to cheers, baby.
Alright, right, so
Auntie Sherritt so get
that's how you eat a Jamaican, hot Jamaican patty.
Yes.
Look.
It's wonderful. Nice. Love it. And I love this video as well too.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Till next time.
Next time.
Bye.
This is a sorry beer.
That's a sorry beer.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
You have to look in at the creative anymore in there, Sherritt.